Most people think you need millions to start construction or real estate business. That's a lie. Some of the richest people in the world are deeply involved in real estate. Yet they don't own lands, they don't build houses, and they don't manage hundreds of workers. They own machines. Today, construction is decentralized. Thousands of small work sites, renovations, farm areas, urban service projects are happening every single day. And all of them need light, efficient, and easy to operate machines, not heavy equipment. And that's where money printing construction machine comes in. Small, powerful, versatile machines that have become a gold mine for entrepreneurs who want to make money by renting them out, using them for service jobs, or selling them unit by unit. In this video, I'm revealing 4 construction machines you can import from China with low investment, high margins, and consistent demand. Stay till the end because one of these machines costs less than a used phone, yet it can pay for itself in weeks. The construction and urban maintenance market is growing non-stop. It's not all about mega projects. Most jobs are small-scale construction, home renovations, fence installations, partial leveling, and gardening. And what do all these projects have in common? They all need compact, easy-to-transport machines that are more affordable than traditional heavy equipment. Across cities and towns, thousands of independent professionals can't afford a backhoe or industrial mixer, but they can pay daily or weekly rates to rent portable machines. That's where you come in by importing money printing construction machines and operating them, renting them out, or reselling them. Or you can make money every day without relying on government contracts or massive clients. It's an accessible technical business with immediate profitability and massive room for scale. If you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China, and all you need is DAKS business consult. With the right guidance, you can save yourself time, money, and costly mistakes. With DAKS import consult, all you need is your phone, internet access, and the right strategy to import from China safely and confidently without getting scammed. We offer business consultation, product sourcing, procurement, payment of Chinese suppliers, reliable shipping services. If you are serious about importing from China the right way, book a consultation with us today. Don't guess. Import smart. Machine number 1, the concrete mixture machine. Imagine being able to produce concrete on site without waiting for a batching plant or dealing with slow suppliers. That's exactly what this portable concrete mixer does. With capacities from 120 to 350 liters, it's perfect for self-built projects, renovations, royal homes, small walls, or even flooring. You literally bring the factory to the job site. Who is paying for this? Bricklayers, independent builders, housing cooperatives, and farm owners are eager for fast, reliable concrete on demand. The magic happens in its rotating drum, mixing water, cement, sand, and gravel perfectly. And whether you are in the city or off the grid, it works on electric or gasoline power. So lack of electricity is never a problem. Here's the kicker. You can rent it daily for $15 to $40 or sell it as part of a combo package. Think wheelbarrow, concrete vibrator, leveling machine, giving your customers a full ready-to-go solution. Scaling this is simple. Offer different sizes and accessories. Even open a local service point in your neighborhoods where construction is booming. The mindset you need? Practical and solution-driven. Give builders autonomy, remove the middlemen, and watch as demand grows. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn this single machine into a small business that can generate daily income and why people are rushing to get one before their competitors do. Machine number 2 is the plastering machine. One of the most underrated yet deeply embedded machines in the real estate world is the plastering machine. And if you invest in this machine the right way, it can become a serious cash flow asset almost everywhere in the world. Let's talk numbers because that's where this gets interesting. In many markets, plastering a single square meter of wall costs around $2 or more, depending on the location. Now here's the advantage. A plastering machine can handle up to 60 square meters per hour. That's roughly $120 per hour in service value. Run it for 10 hours or a day. You are looking at $1,200 per day from a single machine. And we already know this. Real estate never slows down. Houses, offices, warehouses, malls, walls will always need plastering. But when machines enter the equation, everything changes. This machine doesn't just work fast. It delivers consistent, high-quality finishing, smooth walls, clean edges, straight corners. Results that are extremely hard to replicate with manual labor alone. At this point, competition isn't really about speed anymore. It's about precision and repeatability. And that's where this machine wins every time. In many developed markets, manual plastering is already being phased out. The industry is moving towards automation and efficiency. That creates a powerful opportunity. You should position yourself early in any market where machine plastering is yet to be saturated. This way, you gain a first mover advantage. Another key benefit, you don't need to be a skilled plasterer. Even as a beginner, you can operate this machine and deliver results that match or outperform experienced professionals. That makes it one of the lowest skill, highest leverage entry points into construction. And construction, anywhere in the world, Asia, Europe, US, or other parts of the world, emerging markets remain one of the most profitable sectors in every economy. You can start small by offering plastering only services. Once demand grows, scaling becomes natural. The machine saves time, reduces labor dependence, and allows you to operate with minimum staff. If you don't want to be on site, you hire an operator. The machine still ends. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is consistency. No arguments, no rework, no we will fix it tomorrow. You set the parameters and the machine delivers the same quality every time. That's how you outperform or outcompete, not by working harder, but by working smarter. And this model already exists globally. There are companies that do only plastering, nothing else, and they are extremely profitable. Once clients trust your plastering work, they naturally begin asking for larger construction projects. And that's how real estate business scale from one specialized service into full development. The energy consumption is as low within the range of 0.5 to 1.5 kilowatt depending on the features. Its plastering thickness is 0.5 to 3 centimeters. It can plaster to a height of 5 meters. The price ranges from $3,000 to $4,000. Aside that, we can customize this machine based on your recommendation or on your spec. Remember, we work with manufacturing factories based in China, and we can customize just as you want. All you need is to contact us for this machine. Make this machine print money for you whilst you sleep. Machine number 3, the Compact Mini Excavator. The Compact Mini Excavator is one of the most versatile and profitable machines to start with in the light machinery world. Its small size allows it to operate in areas where large excavators cannot go, such as residential areas, gardens, pipeline trenches, narrow foundations, or maintenance work on farms. The market is booming due to urban expansion, self-construction, and the rise in small-scale projects in rural and suburban areas. Its operation is simple: hydraulic arms for digging, and interchangeable buckets, rubber tracks that avoid damaging surfaces, and basic controls that can be mastered with quick training. It can be rented out daily from $80 to $150 or by project, allowing a return on investment in less than 6 months. If well managed, you can also operate it yourself or with a trained assistant. Scalability is excellent. With a single excavator, you can start your business. As demand grows, add more units or expand to new towns. You could even partner with architects or contractors and take part in full service projects. Understand the machine, keep it in top condition, and focus on solving real problems for clients. Machine number 4. Meet the Handheld Vibrator Compactor. Small, powerful, and surprisingly profitable. This compact machine turns soil, concrete, bases, parking lots, or small construction sites into perfectly level surfaces in minutes. Contractors, maintenance teams, public work crews, and independent builders are desperate for this, especially in tight spaces where large compactors can't fit. Powered by gasoline engine, its vibrating drum applies pressure and compacts efficiently, saving hours of manual labor. And the best part, its small size means it can be transported on a motorcycle or a small vehicle, making it super agile and cheap to operate. Here's where it gets interesting. You can charge $0.8 to $1.3 per square meter or rent it out daily. Imagine multiple units working across different neighborhoods. Your revenue adds up fast. You want to scale? You can import several units, rent them out, or even sell them to local contractors who can't afford bigger machines. The mindset to win with this machine is efficiency and mobility. Be ready when clients need you. Cut out delays and watch a tiny portable machine generate steady daily income. And in this video, I will show you how to turn this simple tool into a small construction empire, the type of opportunity that most people overlook. These machines are more than equipment. They are assets that generate income. Each one fits into 3 powerful business models: offering services, renting equipment, and reselling machines. The smart move is combining them, so a single machine can make money more than one way. You don't need a degree, huge startup capital, or special connections to start. What you need is clear vision, discipline, and the willingness to take action. A machine has 2 stakes. When it's working, it's making money. When it's idle, it's costing you money. You are not just selling machines, you are selling time saved, efficiency delivered, and problems solved. With the right strategy, one machine can grow into a fleet, then into a rental company, and eventually into a regional distribution brand. If you are ready to take the first step, book consultation with DAKS Import and Export Trading so that we can source one of these money printing machines directly to your doorstep. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below which machine you would like to start with. Because the biggest opportunities aren't always behind desks or online sometimes. They are construction machines running and waiting for someone bold enough like you to start and take control. We are a registered trading company based in China, and I have 8 years experience living in China. If you are thinking of traveling to China, don't worry. It's because of you that I have taken years to learn Chinese language, so that when you come, translation with supplies will be so easy. Anything about business related from China, I am your #1 plug. Until then, see you, share, bye bye.